How to play games on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you want to play games on Snapchat, launch a Snapchat application in your device. Then all you need to do is just tap on the search icon from where we search for lenses, filters and more. This time we'll search for games. Tap on the search bar and type in games. You will see list of games option that you can easily play with your friends or by yourself as well. Now to play any of this game, all you need to do is just tap open to the game that you prefer. For an example, I'll be clicking on this one. Wait until your game loads up. You can tap on the option of play across the track. Then just follow along the game. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and check this feature out ASAP in your Snapchat account. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.